I'm Suzette Kitzelman with Rodeo Realty Beverly Hills. Welcome to Suzette Sells LA. Today I'm going to answer a really basic question. Why buy real estate? Number one answer, because rent goes up, right? Rent will continue to go up every year, and when you buy real estate, you're protected from that. Okay, so here's another reason. You can live in it. You can't live in a stock. You can't live in a bond if you buy a bond. You can't live in a savings account either. And you're going to get a better return on your investment with the real estate than you get with a bank savings account, with stock market. Most anything is not going to give you this kind of return that you're going to get on your investment. Also, your mortgage interest is tax deductible. You're not going to get those tax deductions if you're renting, okay? So banks will loan on property, and they're happy to loan on property because it's very good and secure for them, because most people do not walk away from their homes. Sometimes it happens, bad things happen and they have to, but for the most part it's a very solid investment for the bank. That's why they partner with you and buy a house with you. And did you know that right now you can purchase a home that you're going to live in, you have to live in it, with 5% down? You can buy one with 5% down if you qualify for the mortgage. Let's use this as an example. Let's say you're going to buy a house for $100,000. Let's say you put down 5%. You can put down more if you want to, but you can get in for 5% and you're approved for a $95,000 loan. Okay? So here's your down payment. The bank gives you the rest of the money for the house, which is most of it. And right now, the interest rates are historically low. They're like around 4%. They change every day, all day, but they're right around 4%, okay? Now here's something beautiful about that. You know, when I was first starting out in real estate in the 70s, the interest rates for mortgages were 18%, and people were buying property like crazy. It was hectic. Anyway, let's look at this $95,000 loan with a 4% interest rate. Your mortgage payment is going to be about $662 a month. I'm using this as an example. You can multiply the $100,000 times 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, depending on your marketplace. But this will give you a good idea of the concept, okay? Provided you get a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, do not get an adjustable rate mortgage, whatever you do, get a fixed rate mortgage, your payment is not going to change for 30 years, okay? Your rent is not going to, it's not rent. It's not going to go up. It's going to stay the same. That's going to be so good for your family and for your pocketbook. Okay? Now, the bank loaning you the rest of the money, but you own all the appreciation. Let me explain how that works. If next year your house is worth $110,000, that's a 10% appreciation rate, which isn't unheard of in most markets. In fact, it's kind of conservative in a lot of real estate markets. You've already bought the property, so you don't have to put any more down payment on it, right? You've already bought it. The bank loan is still sitting there. It's $95,000, and your property has appreciated $10,000. Okay, it appreciated 10%. You own all that appreciation. So now your position in the house is $15,000 worth of equity, and the bank loan is still $95,000. It's been paid down a little bit, and your payment is still $662, okay? Now here's the thing. Your return on investment, if your property appreciated only 10% and you only had to put 5% down, your appreciation rate, your return on investment is 200%, because you've only put $5,000 down and your property has appreciated by $10,000. That's 200%. If it appreciated only $5,000, that would be 100% return on your investment. What other kind of investment can you do that? And your mortgage payment is still $662 a month based on a $95,000 mortgage. So that's it. It's pretty simple, really, when you think about it. Sorry for stumbling here and there. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm Suzette Kitzelman with Rodeo Realty Beverly Hills. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe down here or wherever it is. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help you no matter where you are in the U.S. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot. Also, you might want to look at my other video, how to save mortgage interest dollars, because that explains more in depth the way you can avoid paying a lot of interest and pay off your house really fast. Okay, everybody's shouting outside to applaud the healthcare workers, because this is the coronavirus time, and I have to get out there and cheer for those people too, so I'm gonna go. Bye, thanks for watching, bye.